Hello, investors, traders, and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the most relevant news, in-depth analysis, and real projections about the world of digital currencies and blockchain technology. Today, we are going to talk about one of the altcoins that has been attracting the most attention in recent days, Solana, SOL. After facing a strong correction at the beginning of the year, the project seems to be gaining strength again, and analysts are starting to point out something surprising. The price of SOL could rise to $200 in the coming months. That's right. After months of consolidation and technical improvements, Solana is once again on the radar of major investors. But is such an ambitious rise really feasible? What are the factors that could drive this movement? And what should you know before considering jumping on this bandwagon? In this video, we will explore the current market scenario for Solana, the reasons behind this possible rise, if there are real fundamentals to justify such a large appreciation, and whether you should buy now or wait for clearer signals. If you want to understand whether it is worth betting on Solana now, keep watching until the end. What is Solana, SOL? Before we dive into the projections, let's refresh. Solana, SOL, is an open-source blockchain platform designed to offer fast, secure, and scalable transactions. Created in 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko, the network uses a unique combination of proof of history, POH, and proof of stake, POS, which allows it to process thousands of transactions per second with minimal fees. The network's native token, SOL, is used both to pay transaction fees and for staking and governance within the ecosystem. In addition, Solana has become one of the most popular platforms for DeFi, NFTs, and Web3 development, attracting developers and projects from all over the world. Despite its impressive technical performance, Solana struggled during the bear market of 2022 and part of 2023, losing ground to competitors such as Ethereum, Cardano, and Avalanche. But now all signs point to SOL being on the verge of a comeback. Why analysts see potential to reach $200. SOL's price is currently hovering around $95, but various technical and fundamental analyses suggest it could rise significantly in the coming months. Here are the main reasons. Ecosystem growth. Solana has seen a substantial increase in developer activity and new projects being built on the network. Platforms such as Jupiter, Orca, Radium, and Meteora are attracting users and liquidity, increasing the token's real utility. Institutional adoption on the rise. Large hedge funds and institutional asset managers have shown increasing interest in Solana, especially following the success of spot Bitcoin ETFs in the US. Many see SOL as the next candidate to receive similar approval. Whale movements. Blockchain data reveals that large wallets are accumulating SOL in large quantities, which could indicate confidence in a new bull run. Trading volume skyrockets. In recent days, exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin have recorded peaks in daily trading volumes of over $4 billion, a clear sign that interest is growing. Favorable macro outlook. With the prospect of interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve and increased global liquidity, risk markets such as altcoins stand to benefit, especially those with a strong performance history such as Solana. Is the $200 projection realistic? Let's get the facts straight. Today, the price of SOL is around $95. To reach $200, it would need to rise by around 110%, a high but not impossible, especially during periods of high volatility and hype. Historically, Solana has seen larger jumps under similar conditions. In 2021, for example, SOL reached over $250 with peaks above $300 on some exchanges. However, it is essential to remember that the crypto market is extremely volatile. Solana still competes directly with other layer ones such as Ethereum, Cardano, and Cosmos. It depends on continued adoption and constant development to sustain any rally. Therefore, while a rally to $200 is technically possible, it depends on important external factors, such as partnership announcements, increased institutional adoption, or even global macroeconomic events. Tips for those who want to invest in SOL. If you are thinking about buying SOL, here are some important tips. Invest responsibly. Never put all your money into a single altcoin. Solana is a high-risk asset. Study before you act. Understand how the Solana ecosystem works, what its objectives and direct competitors are. Use stop loss and take profit. Due to volatility, setting exit points can help protect your profits and avoid heavy losses. Store safely. Prefer cold wallets for large amounts of SOL. Keep an eye on social media. Projects like Solana are often impacted by viral events, influencer tweets, or important announcements. Solana, SOL, is clearly recovering, and the possibility of a rise to $200 has generated a lot of expectation. Although there are positive factors such as increased volume, accumulation of whales, and advances in the ecosystem, SOL remains a highly speculative asset. For you, the investor, the most important thing is to keep a cool head, study deeply, and never put all your capital in a single asset, especially one as volatile as Solana. If this video was useful to you, like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive notifications whenever we release new content about cryptocurrencies, market analysis, and global trends. So, what do you think? Will Solana really reach you $200? Leave your comment below. Until the next video, and remember, invest wisely, always learn, and be prepared for the digital financial future.